Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable of the Headmaster, there of Miss Aprilia, SSMPD, is my English teachers. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. All praise to be Allah. He is the King of the King and Lord of the Lords and the creators of everything in this universe. Him only do we worship, and do him only do we ask for help, who has been giving us the mercy and the blessing until we can meet together in this good opportunity. And peace may be sent to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his families, his companions, and all the Muslims until the end of the time. Okay, let me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adnan Alvaro with NIM number 44251446. I am from the Faculty of Public Relation Communication Schemes. Okay, I would like to be to give okay, I would like to give my opinion about our news. The President of Indonesia is Bapak Presiden Prabowo Subianto. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished citizens of the Republic of Indonesia, today we stand at the beginning of a new chapter for our nation under the leadership of our newly elected President Prabowo Subianto. Its leadership marks a moment of transition, reflection, and renewed purpose for Indonesia. As we continue our journey toward becoming a nation that is strong, independent, and prosperous in every aspect of national life. President Prabowo comes to the highest office with a long record of service to the country, shaped by decades of experience in this military, government, and the public affairs. Many view him as a leader who possesses firmness in character, clarity of purpose, and a deep commitment to national unity. In a world where global dynamics shift rapidly and the challenges arise without warning, the need for leaders with strategy, foresight, and decisive leadership becomes increasingly essential. Under President Prabowo's guidance, there is renewed emphasis on strengthening national defense, ensuring that Indonesian sovereignty remain absolute and respectable. Yet, yet his vision is not limited to the realm of security alone. He was also put forward aspiration to build a nation that is self-sufficient in food, energy, and technologies. Areas that form the foundation of the true independence and resilience. His message calls upon all citizens to contribute to Indonesia it doesn't not depend only on external force, but instead grows steadily from the strength of its own resource and its people. However, leadership does not exist with challenge. The road ahead will require cooperation, unity, and a shared sense of responsibility for every member of our society. There will be expectation to meet reforms, to carry out, and aspiration to fulfill. In the spirit of democracy, it remains essential for the voice of the people to continue to be heard, for dialogue to remain open, and for all differences to be managed with wisdom, patience, and respect. The task of advancing Indonesia does not rest solely in the hand of one leader, but in the collective of effort of the entire nation. As we move forward together, let us remember that Indonesia's strength lies not only in its natural resource or its geographical size, but in the character and the cooperation of all citizens. Indonesia can continue to stand tall among the nations of the world. May this new un- may this new era under President Prabowo Subianto bring progress, stability, and pride to every corner of our beloved land. May Indonesia always remain a nation that is independent, dignified, and prosperous for generations to come. Okay, maybe until here. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to explain uh, my presentation projects too about the simple present tense. Okay, we have simple present tense. Is there what is a tense? And we have when to use simple present. When to use to simple present, understanding its key application about daily habits, universal fact, and schedule event. In daily habits, the simple present is used to describe daily habits and routines, such as eating breakfast or going to school, conveying action that happen regularly or repeatedly. And in universal fact, this tense is also employed for universal truth and fact, like stating scientific principle or general observation which are true at all times and do not change. And schedule event, finally, simple present express schedule events such as train, departure, or class times, indicating future occurrence that's are arranged or planned to happen. And we have important of simple present. Like everyday communication, a simple present is essential for clear and effective daily interaction in English. And we have forming simple present. In forming simple present, understanding the affirmative form structure consists of the subject followed by the base verb as or es for third person singular. This is essential for clear and correct sentence construction. And we have example of affirmative sentence about understanding simple present use, about daily routines, general statement, and schedule event. In daily routines are best expressed use the simple present tense, such as like I eat breakfast every morning. This demonstrates habitual action that are part of our everyday life. And general statement like water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Explain fact and truths that one always valid. Showcasing the stability and consistency of the simple present tense. In schedule event, utilize the simple present to indicate fixed plan such as the train leave at 5 p.m., providing clarity about the future arrangements and timetable. And we have forming negative sentence. In forming negative sentence, understanding simple present negative. The negative form in simple present is structured as subject plus do or does plus not plus best verb. This form is essential for expressing what someone does not do or is not true. And we have example of negative sentence about understanding simple present negative. Forgetting s or es. When using the simple present, it's important to remember that the third person singular requires s or es forgetting this can lead to incorrect sentence. And incorrect do or does using do and does incorrectly is a common error in negative. Remember, we use does with third person, singular subject, and do with everyone also. And in confusion time expression, it's easy to confuse time expression when forming negative. Be sure to use appreciation term like never and not too clearly convey your intended meaning. And about forming question in simple present, the structure of question form to form question in the simple present tense. Use do or does, followed by the subject and the base verb. The structure help in asking about habits and routines. And we have a question and short answer about understanding simple present. Use question structure, short answer, and common example like and in and the question structure is the question attractive in simple present often begin with do or does, followed by the subject and the base verb, ensuring clarity and directness in inquiries. And in short answer for question in the simple with present include respond like yes, I do, or no, he does not allowing, allowing for quick and effective communication in conversation. And the last common example of question include, do you play soccer or does she like ice cream? This illustrates the variety of topics suitable for simple present discussion. And we have use of simple present, the understanding everyday application, habits and routines, general truth and schedule event. And the habit and routines, the simple present tense is perfect for describing daily habits and routines. For example, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Illustrate a regular action that happen consistently. And the second general truth, this tense conveys universal fact and truth, such as water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Such statement remain true regardless of time, highlighting the significance of the simple present. And the schedule event, use the simple present to express schedule feature event like the train depart at 6 p.m. This indicates a fixed timetable, helping people plan their activities effectively. And we have example daily activities. Uh, is there three picture about breakfast, jogging, and reading book? And the next we have general truth and fact, and we have illustrate the picture. Uh, we have three picture about the Earth orbit the sun, water freeze at 0 Celsius, and plant product oxygen. And we have schedule event. We have three picture again, like train departure, concert schedule, and meeting time. And we have common mistake, like error in simple present, incorrect do or does. Using do or does incorrectly in negative sentence can confuse learners, such as writing he doesn't play instead of hence losing clarity in communication. In forgetting es, many learners often forget to add as or as in the third person singular, leading to ungrammatical sentence like he plays soccer instead of the play soccer. And the confusing time expression can sometimes be mixed up, leading to error like using always incorrectly in sentence, which can cause misunderstanding regarding the frequency of action. And we have practice activities, and we have three picture, fill in the blank, incorrect creativity and group collaboration. And the next we have correct the mistake, the common error, the practice make perfect, and enjoying activities. In common error, identifying and correcting common error helps improve language skill effectively. And the practice make perfect, regular practice in correcting mistake leads to greater understanding of grammar. And enjoying activities, interactive activities make learning for mistake fun and memorable for everyone. And we have simple present in daily dialogue, focus talking about routines, like verbal and nominal. And we have two person, the name Ali and Budi. And Ali say, hi Budi, do you wake up early every day? Budi say, yes, I do. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I am an early bird. Ali say, wow, does your brother also get up that early? Budi say, no, he doesn't. He is a night owl. He always sleep late. Ali say, I see. What do you do before work? And Budi say, I drink coffee and then I read the news. My office open at 8 a.m. And key point of simple present, understanding the basic math easy. The simple present tense is essential for expressing habit, fact, and routines. Mastering structure exchange your English communication and help you build confidence in daily conversation. And the last, thanks you for your attention. Forgive me if there are error, mistake in pronunciation, writing, and action in this segment. Greeting Miss Aprilia SSMPD. Maybe until here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.